It's the anti-drip 20 volt DeWalt caulking gun for the smaller tubes. This gun, you can also screw off the front to fit the longer tubes. We've got your poker. On my gun, doesn't seem to really stay here, so I might just tear this off. Also because I don't want to get caulking all over this and all over my gun, so I'll probably just use a nail or something like that. It's not bad. I think it weighs about 3 to 4 pounds in weight. On the bottom here, we've got the variable speed all the way up to 6. It's a 2-trigger system. The bottom trigger is to go forward, and the back trigger is just a release of the actual depressing device. To put the caulk in, you just slide her in like normal, press the trigger, slide it forward, and then it's ready to go. I'm just using some tar here. The anti-drip doesn't work so well on this, but I know it does work better on, say, DAP, things like that. I'm just gonna start off on number 1 on the setting. Okay, there we go. It's actually not a bad speed. And then when you let go of the trigger, this actually slides back a couple notches, and I'll take this tube out and show you. But let's just move it up to level 6, and I'll show you the difference. So you can see quite a huge difference. So this gun could be really good for subfloor glue, tar. I wouldn't be dapping on level 6. For level 1, yeah, you could dap, you could caulk, you could do all that kind of stuff. So then I just press this trigger here, and this slides back, okay? And then you can just take the caulking gun out. You can just see it moving in there. And then when I let go of the trigger, it'll go back. And that's their anti-drip function on this. And I just put the 20 volt small guy 3 amp hour on here just to keep it light.